Did you know that as a small business owner or side hustler in Canada, you can write off a portion of things that you use and pay for personally, but that you also use for business? Probably the best example of this is your phone. If you run any social media accounts or answer any emails or calls or messages from customers or clients on your phone, then you can write off a portion of that as business use. But it's not just for phones. Let's say you have a 3D printer that you mostly use as a hobbyist, but sometimes you print stuff for your business with. In that case, you would be able to claim a portion of filament expenses, for example. Keep in mind that your home and your vehicle are special cases, and my next couple of videos will go through how to do the write-offs for those because it's a little bit different. If you're ever not sure if something could be included as a write-off, ask your accountant.
Here's how I'd track that using the spreadsheet I'd been working on for my hypothetical 2025 last-minute filing. Create a new sheet called Mixed Use Expenses. Title the columns in row 1 as date, description, amount, percentage used, and claimable amount. And then start adding any usable transactions, one per line.
So for the percentage, you will put whatever you think the percentage is that is business use in your case. For example, if you're using your phone for business purposes for a couple of hours daily, then I'd probably put the percentage as something like 50%. If it's just posting to a social media account once a week, maybe answering an email here and there, then I'd go with a lower percentage.
Once you have all of the transactions logged, then you can go to the claimable amount column and add this formula. I'll put it in the description of the video in the comments. Then you can drag it down to apply it to all of the other transactions automatically. Once you've got the claimable amount for all of your transactions, then you can total it up using our best friend, the sum formula, which will also be provided below. And that's the total amount you can claim.
Just like for any other business expense, good record keeping is really important, so make sure that you have the receipts or the invoices for all of the expenses or would be able to get them easily in the event of an audit. You'll also need the statement from the account or the credit card that the payment was made from. Remember that I'm a bookkeeper, not an accountant or a financial advisor, and none of this is tax or financial advice. Bye!